Cisco ASA, what is the role of ACL? So, in the Cisco ASA, it works on the basis of higher to lower security level. If the traffic is coming from the higher security level, it can go into the lower security level without applying any access list. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So also, if the traffic is coming from lower to higher, it will be denied by default.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So in order to access, so what is the role of an access list? So access list without this firewall will work. I mean, the traffic can go from the lower to higher to security level. You can see this. If you are sitting in the higher security level, traffic can go into the lower security level without any problem. So the access control list, as the name applies, is the list of statement called access control entries. Permit or drive traffic from the source or destination. Similar like layer 3. So by default, Cisco ASA allow, you don't need an access list. Right now, on the firewall, we do not have any access list applied. And you can see our traffic is going from the higher to lower security level from our machine, from our this machine, I mean, from a test machine to the DMZ without any problem.
Yes.
Okay. However, if there is coming from the lower security level, what is the problem? That it will be blocked. But if you have an access is there, it will check the access list entry is there, then the traffic will be allowed. So that is why we need an access list to apply it to actually make sure that the traffic lower to higher security level is also allowed. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Thank you. Now you understand not all the traffic is inspected by default. So access list allow manual exception for the inspection traffic. Inbound access list or global access list bypass security functionality. There can be an inbound and one outbound access list per interface. So on the one interface, you can either apply inbound or outbound access list. Like in OS, IS, ASA, ACL matches traffic based on the source IP, destination IP, source port number, TCP UDP port, ICMP type, time range. Like ACL is always, and if there is no entry, there will be ACL will be denied as well at the end. Okay, like in iOS, ASA ACL can be matched, can be a standard. Just take care of the source IP. Okay, it can be extended, match the combination of source, destination, and port. Okay, use the same naming convention for standard extension lists. Use subnet. So the only difference is in the iOS we use wildcard mask. In the Cisco ASA we don't use wildcard mask. We just use the mask actually. If no ACL is applied to an interface, permitted outbound traffic from higher to security level, of course, by default, and deny from the lower security level. ACE is defined using the access list command and applied to the interface using the access group command. So similar like ACL in OS router, we create the ACL, but of course we need to apply the ACL by using the access group command. Creating doesn't make that creation automatically. Leave this discussion actually. This is very old now. Okay, now ACL. Everybody understand the ACL now? What is the ACL, guys? Excellent. Yes. So everybody is clear